Hi friends, in this topic we'll be talking about a Roots supercharger. So you might be knowing the function of a supercharger which is used in automobile engines. It is used to improve the efficiency or to improve power of an automobile engine. For more details on a supercharger, please visit my YouTube channel and see the video functions of supercharger. So in this topic, I'll be discussing only about Roots supercharger. Let's see the main components of a Roots supercharger. We have the casing. This is a casing, and we have two lobes over here. And here, this is the fill side. That is, this is the inlet or the suction side, and here is the discharge side or the outlet. From here, the air is given to the inlet manifold of the engine. So why a supercharger or a Roots supercharger is used? This is used to supply more air to the inlet manifold of the engine so that more fuel combustion or burning can happen inside the engine so that more power can be produced. Because for creating more power, more fuel need to burn. But for more fuel to burn, we need more air. So supercharger is providing more air to the inlet manifold for more fuel to burn so that more power and torque can be produced. So we have two lobes over here which rotates in, one is in clockwise direction and another rotates in anti-clockwise direction. So what happens is that as due to that, air gets sucked over here. So this is the fill side, air gets sucked over here, and through here the air discharge is happening towards the inlet manifold. So it normally works like an air blower, or it is called as an air blower because it is blowing more air. That means blowing means this is called blowing. So more air is blown to the inlet manifold so that using this more air we can make or facilitate the combustion or more fuel so that more torque and power can be produced by the engine. The disadvantage is that the Roots superchargers are heavier and they are mounted on the top of the engine, so it occupies more space. And what it does is that normally large quantity of air moves towards the intake and take up to create a positive pressure in the inlet manifold, so which helps actually the engine to provide more power by burning more fuel. So that's what a Roots type supercharger is doing. For more automobile technical videos, please visit my YouTube channel. Thank you.